Hello, this is Katie from Back Paddock. Today I'm going to demonstrate the Find Replace tool to find unusual entries that you have in your paddock plan. So let's say you've worked through your paddock plan, you've gone through to your report, and maybe one of your inputs has blown out a lot, like you require a lot more than you need to, or perhaps you've noticed at the stage where you've checked your gross margins and a paddock is going to lose money and you can't understand why. So what we want to do is first identify whatever that input is. So I've worked through and I've identified that my LI700 seems to have a data entry error somewhere, but I don't want to go through and click on 1,000 cells to find it. So what I'm going to do is click on my Find Replace Data tool. I'm going to expand through my chemicals and I'm going to look for my, under spray additives. I'm going to click on my record here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this tool to find anomalies. So I can see here that my rate for most of the entries in this product are about 0.3, 0.5, but I have this rogue one here that's 10.5. Scrolling down, I've got another one that's 50.5 and 2.5. And I know that that's not the rate that I want to be applied for this product in those fields. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this rate item here. So not only can you identify them, you can update them. So with this tool, I can update rate or cost. I can change an item too. If you've got a grower that doesn't want to use this product and wants to use something else, you could tick the item box, select another product, replace all, or replace selected if you only want to replace a few. And then use the replace tool here. But in this case, I'm going to update these rates. So I'm going to click on rate. I'm going to say that those ones should have been 0.5 instead of absolutely random ones. So I'm going to put 0.5 and then I'm going to hold. So click one, hold control and click the other records that I want to update. 2.5. Okay, so I've just let go of my control key. So I just held it to select those. I have replaced selected records only, which is what I want to do. It's going to be 3 records. The rate is going to be 0.5. I'm going to click replace. I'm going to say yes. So all I'm doing is updating the rate on those 3 inputs. And now if I scroll through, all of my inputs are much more reasonable at 0.3 or 0.5. So I can just close out of that. And that's just gone through and updated any of those rogue records in my plan for this year. So my inputs will be a lot more meaningful. I hope that's helpful. Have a great day.